Would you believe me if I told you that you could still make $1.1 million with drop shipping? What if I can give you the secret to potentially reaching $1.1 million in a matter of 30 days? You may be thinking, but isn't dropshipping dead? You've probably started to see this type of content pop up on your YouTube feed.
Dropshipping. If you've looked into how to make money online, you've probably already come across this. It's not really feasible.
Making you think it's too late to start. But is dropshipping really dead? Is it too saturated for new dropshipping customers to prosper? The short answer is no. You can still make $1.1 million with dropshipping even in 2023. You just have to make sure you are utilizing the right tools, strategies, and methods in order to succeed. And I'll share those with you in this video. I won't bore you with your typical step-by-step guide. That content is all over YouTube already. Here, I'll share with you how to get ahead of the game and other ways to fast track to succeed in the dropshipping game. Before we dive into the strategies, quickly let's define dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where online store owners, dropshippers, don't physically hold the products they sell in stock. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the product is directly shipped from a third-party supplier or manufacturer to the customer's doorstep. This way, dropshippers can focus on the front-end aspects of their business, such as creating an engaging online store, marketing their products, and providing customer support without the need to manage inventory, storage, or shipping logistics. It's known for its low upfront costs and the ability to test various products and niches with minimal risk. Now, without waiting any further, let's dive into the secret get-ahead strategies that will set you apart from the rest on setting up a successful dropshipping business in 2023 to make some serious money. Number 1. Make sure your research is done correctly. I know this doesn't sound new, as many gurus, YouTubers, and courses emphasize this as well. But just hear me out. Picking your item and validating is super important. There are so many people just like you trying to be successful in this field, and the item you think will make you a millionaire may already be oversaturated. So don't make the mistake of choosing a random item that looks cool. So here's what you have to do. A. See what is trending in the market by using ad spy tools like PP Ads, Minea, or Dropshipping. With the help of these tools, you can find winning products, stay on competitors' ads, get viral and trending products, and much more. There are a lot of tutorials on how to use these products on YouTube or on their site, but if you want me to create a step-by-step video, leave a comment. B. Now, take a closer look at the viral videos on TikTok to learn the trends, themes, and style, so you can mimic the ads that are working well. Don't steal their videos and use them as your own. That's plagiarism. But you can always make a similar video as you've already validated the success of the ad. You don't have to come up with something super creative and new. Just stick to what you know already worked and recreate. C. The real secret no one talks about is this. Go to the comment section of the viral ads and videos. Scroll through to see what the users loved about the product or what they question about. Take those comments and directly answer or showcase that in your ad, your website, and in social media to grab the attention of those potential customers. Number 2. Second, think through the whole brand experience. There are a couple of places that newbie dropshippers always miss focus on. A. Dropshippers spend so much time on making the homepage look good instead of the item page. You have to make sure that your sales page, items page, looks consistent with the same branding, clean and professional, as well as provides value for people to click that add to cart button. Think of homepage as the doormat, something nice to have, but the really important page is the sales page or item page that will convert people to sales. B. One of the biggest reasons for failed dropshipping brands is due to the weird packaging and long lead time. To solve this issue, find an agent who can connect you to different factories and brands overseas, who can help you with this for a small fee. Agents can help you find factories and vendors that will have the item you're looking for at the best price and best delivery time. Additionally, have your agent look for vendors with custom packaging services, which will allow for packages to have your logo and style before getting shipped to your customers. This will guarantee your brand image and streamline customer experience. But also, you'll be getting a salesman and manager in one who will help you with your ongoing relationship with the vendors overseas. And here's a pro tip. Some vendors are large enough to have factories and distributing centers in the country you are operating in. Check to see if the item you want can be found closer by to save on delivery cost and time. Number 3. In this age and era, the most important asset we all have is, yes, time. It takes time to do research, set up your store, and to start making sales. Not to mention all the time spent to test out different products to make sure you have the winning product. On top of that, making the brand, getting the voice and copyright, etc. This is all time. This is why, if you can, take all the necessary steps to bypass or jump through time-consuming portions for a small fee. Like I said, if you are able to, it will be worth it. This is by no means required for success, but will help you achieve that much faster. Here are some steps you can take to get ahead and start seeing results fast, almost instantly. Number 1. Join a masterclass. The great thing about master courses or online courses is that you get access to a community and the knowledge of those who have done it before you. This will help you learn much faster. You can also consult the community or experts in that field with any questions about the market and your business. Do your research and take whichever course you think will be helpful. I will link a course that I think is helpful in the description below if you want to check it out. Number 2. Purchase a pre-made dropshipping brand or site. This will get you ahead of the game by skipping building the site and the brand. You can buy from sites such as OpenStore, Flippa, Empire Flipper, and Acquire.com. Also, having the previously collected customer and store data is such a big bonus. You can learn a lot about customer behavior, making it more likely for you to multiply earnings by changing just a couple of things. So, to recap, is dropshipping dead? No. Is it a lot more saturated than a couple of years ago? Yes. In order to succeed today, you must have the tools and strategies before just jumping in. With this video, now you have all the initial secrets to get ahead and get started. All the tools and websites mentioned will be in the description below if you need them. You can leave me any questions in the comments and I'll try to answer them there or make another video explaining them. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. Till next time, stay in the money loop.